My name is John Orr, and I'm a biologist with the Fairfax County Health Department. We're talking today about fall yard cleanup. I've spent a lot of time over the last few months in people's yards helping people with mosquito problems. The number one thing that we see in Fairfax County where people are breeding their own mosquitoes are from the corrugated downspout extensions. The downspout extensions help remove water away from the foundation of the home, but they can also hold a little bit of water in them. And just that little bit of water is enough that mosquitoes can enter and lay eggs, and you can have a real mosquito problem pretty quickly. The best thing that you can do is get rid of the corrugated downspout extensions and replace them with something that's smooth that won't hold any water. But if you're going to continue with them, make sure that you're emptying them out regularly. Be sure to drain after every rain.
My name is Lauren Lockstamper. I'm a biologist with the Disease Carrying Insects program in the Fairfax County Health Department. We're here today to talk a little bit about fall yard cleanup and ticks. So it's very important to remember that the tick that can potentially transmit Lyme disease in our area, the black-legged tick, is active during the fall and winter months. So cleaning up leaf litter and leaves around your house and in your yard and areas where you guys are active out in the yard becomes very important to help prevent these ticks. We're here to talk about fall yard cleanup and tick bite prevention. So there's a few things you can do. Number one, dress to protect. Wear long, loose, light-colored clothing, and make sure you're tucking your pants down into your socks. Another thing you can do is you can treat your clothing with a product called PERMETHRIN to help prevent and repel ticks, and it actually kills them as well. So this is something that you want to spray on your clothing before you actually go out to do yard work and allow it time to dry. The other thing you can do is wear insect repellent when you're out working in the yard. Insect repellent is supposed to be applied to your exposed skin, and you're going to want to read the label and look for something that contains either Deet, Picaridin, IR3535, or oiled lemon eucalyptus. Finally, when you come back in from working in the yard, make sure you do a head-to-toe tick check on your body and look for any ticks that you may have picked up along the way.